Today's my lucky day. I was able to score 5 packs at the vending machine, 2 perfect order, 1 destined rival, and 2 mega evolutions. So I saw that as my sign to continue this hunt for this Mewtwo. And also, it was the first time I'd seen perfect order in the vending machine, so I had to get it. So let's see if we can get that Mewtwo. Hopefully it'll be a good Easter. Looks like there's no Mewtwo this time, but that's okay. It's still a good Easter. Hopefully, those of you that are opening cards this Easter, you have a better Easter than mine. If you pull anything good, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.